Let's dive into division. 380 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome math videos. Alright team, let's start dividing 380 by 2. We look at the first digit 3, we'll use just this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2, let's write that down. Now we subtract 2 from 3, which leaves us with 1. Awesome job, you're doing great. We've got a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the next digit. Okay, we have a remainder of 1, and we bring down the next digit, 8. Now we have 18. We're using 2 digits now to make 18. Look at that. How many times does 2 go into 18? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. Perfect. 18 minus 18 is 0. We're on a roll. You're crushing it, almost done. We have no remainder, and there's one last digit to bring down. Last step, we bring down the final digit 0. Now we have 0. We're just focusing on this last digit, 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. 0 times 2 is 0. Easy peasy. 0 minus 0 is 0. We did it. Fantastic work, you solved it. And that's our final answer. We've successfully divided 380 by 2. So, 380 divided by 2 equals 190. We just conquered dividing 380 by 2 using long division. Remember, breaking it down step by step makes even big numbers easy to handle. Keep practicing, and you'll be a division whiz in no time. Great job, everyone! That's all for today. Don't forget to check out more fun math adventures on Let's Stud. See you next time.